Today, I'm going to show you how to make passive income using the Facebook Marketplace. You can see these items got hundreds to thousands of clicks. I added links to my Shopify store in the listings, and you can see it resulted in £100 in sales in just 1 week. We sell mostly watches and men's accessories on our Shopify store. We offer free delivery to the UK, and people can pay next-day delivery for £2.99. If you don't want to set up an entire store, brand, and hold stock, you can instead join our affiliate program where you will earn 15% on any products you sell. Once you've joined the program, you will get affiliate links you can share on the Facebook Marketplace, social medias, and to your friends and family. The time this video was made, we only had 20 products on the marketplace, but we are getting new products every month. Soon there will be hundreds to thousands, which means you can list a lot more, bringing more eyes and more money. When customers show interest in an item, you can tell them it is free delivery in the UK. You can offer them a 10% discount code, and you can reassure them we are a worthy brand. This is just one way you can make money using our affiliate program. You don't have to hold stock, package items, or worry about delivery. We do the hard work for you. All you have to do is post daily or weekly depending on your work ethic. You can create social medias promoting our brand and build an audience. If you sell more than 100 products, we will offer you 20% affiliate for your loyalty. If you want to find out other ways we can work together to get rich, then hit subscribe and press the notification bell to stay updated on our future endeavors. Thanks for watching, and always remember, you are worthy.